Everyone is waiting for the next massive Mac Studio, assuming it's the only machine built for real pro work. But what if I told you Apple is about to make their most expensive desktop completely irrelevant? I've got the latest supply chain leaks for the 2026 Mac Mini M5, and honestly, this changes everything. We are looking at benchmark numbers that shouldn't be physically possible in a box this size, and a shocking shift in the infamous Apple tax that no one saw coming. I'll show you exactly why this little machine is the true Mac Studio killer, and how much it will actually cost you. But first, we need to talk about how Apple is stopping this thing from melting on your desk. The Mac Mini recently saw its first major design overhaul in over a decade, shrinking down to an ultra-compact footprint that looks exactly like a miniature Mac Studio. Because this design is still so fresh, Apple is sticking with it for 2026. You can expect the same sleek, minimalist aluminum chassis we all love. But the real magic? That is hidden deep under the hood. The M5 and M5 Pro chips are the stars of the show here. Early performance leaks are surfacing, and the speed jump is massive enough to make high-end tower PCs look ancient. Let's break down the raw power of the standard M5 chip. We are looking at single-core scores hitting over 4,200 points, with multi-core performance reaching nearly 17,700 points. That is a giant leap for a base-level silicon chip. This power comes from a brand new 10-core setup, featuring 4 performance cores for heavy lifting and 6 efficiency cores for everyday tasks. Built on TSMC's advanced N3P3 nanometer technology, this architecture isn't just fast, it is incredibly smart with energy. But here is where it gets insane. Heat is the ultimate enemy of compact computers. If it gets too hot, it throttles. Apple has apparently solved this. Internal documents show a new 3D stacked thermal design that keeps the machine icy cool during heavy workloads. You can edit 4K video or compile massive amounts of code for hours, and the machine will keep running at peak speeds without slowing down. NASA called, they want their engineering back. For professional users who need consistent, all-day power, this is a total game changer. And if you consider yourself a power user, the M5 Pro leaks are truly wild. Apple is completely moving away from traditional efficiency cores on the Pro model. Instead, they are replacing them with a new combination of high-performance cores and what they call super cores. This aggressive shift pushes multi-core scores up to the 28,000 mark. That puts this tiny Mac Mini in the exact same league as the current M5 Max. Add in a 45% jump in GPU performance over last year, and 8K video editing is going to feel smoother than ever. A generational leap like that in a single year is almost unheard of. I know what some of you are thinking right now. It's just raw power. I don't need all that for my workflow. But here's the thing. This update is heavily focused on the future of software. The M5 chip features a revolutionary neural accelerator built directly into every single GPU core. This provides a 4x boost in AI processing speed, making it the ultimate machine for local AI tasks. You can run large language models right on your desk, with zero latency, without needing a constant cloud connection. Your privacy stays protected while you work, and smart tasks like removing video backgrounds happen instantly. Now let's talk about connectivity, because this is where the Pro model really flexes its muscles. The M5 Pro is leaked to include Thunderbolt 5 for the very first time. We are talking about blazing fast data transfer speeds up to 120 gigabits per second. Remember the early internet days of waiting hours to transfer a single large file? Those days are dead. You can connect high-end external storage and see almost zero lag, while running multiple high-resolution displays effortlessly. This is exactly why professionals are going to choose this over the Studio. So, when can you actually get your hands on one? The timing is very interesting. Apple turns 50 years old on April 1, 2026. Many are expecting a special anniversary spring event for the reveal. However, top insiders point toward June 2026 at WWDC. A June release would let Apple update their entire desktop lineup at once, meaning you would likely have this on your desk by mid-June. But let's close that loop from earlier and talk about The price, because this is where the Apple tax is finally dying. For years, users have rightfully complained that 256 GB of base storage is completely unacceptable for a modern machine. Well, supply chain rumors say Apple is finally listening. The new base model will likely start at $699. On paper, that looks like a $100 price increase over the older model. But here is the massive catch that actually favors you. That new $699 model will come with 512 GB of storage as the absolute standard. In the past, that storage upgrade cost you an extra $100 anyway. So, you are effectively paying the exact same price for a much more capable machine right out of the box. And for the M5 Pro model? We might see the base storage jump to a full 1 TB. When you combine workstation power, Thunderbolt 5, and generous base storage into a tiny affordable package, it is an absolute no-brainer. It fits in a backpack but performs like a giant tower PC. Are you holding out for the M5 Mini this summer? Or did you already pull the trigger on an older model? Let me know exactly what you're upgrading from down in the comments.